to make mint lime. Because it's summer and it's a lovely day today, so we'll need water first, and then some lime and lemon and ginger and mint. So first I'm going to take the water. I'm gonna put mint inside the juicer. Now I'm gonna take the lemon, squeeze the juice in. Oh. Yeah. Wash your hands before doing anything. Yeah. Lime into the juicer. Put the ginger with. I forgot to tell you that we need sugar. So if you want some more sugar, you can put it in like so. Oh, so you have to put the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Wow! Now you can take the mixer lid. So I've mixed the juice up. Now it's green. You can put a chili piece in the chili piece if you want to give it to your parents. Yummy.